Alright, so today we're going to take a look at these Auxbeam turn signals. These are auxiliary turn signals. They go next to the headlight here. These are the dual color where they're white as a running light and then orange as a turn signal. So they say that these fit the 2014s, 2020s. I personally don't know about the 2021s. This may not fit those. So let's get these open. All right, so these are the Auxbeam LED vent turn signals. These are the black ones. They also come in chrome. And a nice soft foam that they're packed in. Looks like they'll have plenty of cable to run up to the existing turn signal wiring. Some of the stuff that you get can be pretty scratched, so I'm glad to see that there's this plastic on there. Nice. So this plastic, it's almost like a soft touch style of plastic here. That's interesting. I've never seen that on a product like this before. Nice. So there's an imperfection right here. And not bad. The back. I wish this wiring on the back here was done a little bit nicer, but it is what it is. What else do they include? Looks like they include screws. I would reuse your existing ones. All right. Oh yes, they are clearly marked too. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. I'm getting it in the right light. There is a R there, so that is the right, and this one would be the left. Yep, L. Perfect. All right, so as of currently, these show on Amazon that they are $65. I did not pay $65 for these. I believe I picked them up on sale. That's why I purchased this set. I think they were $59.95 when I got them. Now, let's get them installed and see what they look like. All right, so I've never really done how to remove your fairing for the Harley Davidson Road Glide video. If you want me to do one of those, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments. There it is. Okay, so now just like my video with these, we just, instead of just loosening these up, we'll pull these out and replace them. So these are T25 also. There, those are out that quickly and that easily. So you also notice that it says right, and you'll know it's right because also the wire is at the top, because if it's at the bottom, that's gonna be in the wrong spot. So all I'm gonna do is just try to pull this back so nothing gets caught behind there. We're still gonna leave this on here so we don't scratch them. Now we don't want to tighten these all the way because we need to get our grills back in there. So they included hardware in there, but there's no need to use that other hardware. We're just going to reuse the factory hardware. Alright, so we got this one in. I'm going to put the other one in off camera, and then we'll see what it looks like when they are on and when they blink. Alright, so I want to make a note that make sure you don't get your wiring caught anywhere in here, and that it is slipped through right in between these two, and that's where that wiring should sit. Now this here is a little excessive, so we'll have to tuck this away, but let's get that connected right now. So then I'm just going to take a zip tie.
Zip ties back here. so it can't go anywhere.
Get my flush cut. Perfect. All right, so these are installed now. All we need to do is put the fairing back on and plug our turn signals in when we do that, and then we can test these. I'm gonna pull these off right now. You may want to leave them on. So then we're just gonna plug, oops, I had it the wrong way. So we're just gonna plug this in and tuck it back in here. Plug this one in. And tuck this back in here. All right, so that should be good enough. And this should be held on enough so we can test these. All right, so looking at these, because these aren't clear, these are kind of a tinted, it shows up different on camera, but in person, these are kind of a different color than, say, the headlights and the turn signals. So let's activate the turn signals. We'll see what they look like. Sweet. All right, guys. So that's it. Put your fairing back on the way you took it off, and you've got new turn signal lights installed, or new auxiliary turn signal lights installed. It's easy as that. You guys can do this at home. This ain't a big deal. So it's a total of 8 screws to get your fairing off. The 4 on the top, the one back here. Remember, you don't need to remove that top one. You can just remove the bottom one. And then the one up here that you need to pull your speaker grills off for. And that's it. 2 here, 2 screws here, back on, installed, and the installation is complete. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you could like, subscribe, and hit that bell, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.